name is Anastasia Kaminskaya, and I would like to invite all piano students aged 12 to 18 to the course Creativity at the Piano in Vienna this year on June the 24th. This is a week-long course, and it's centered around movement, improvisation, and composition. The purpose of this course is to help students explore their own creative powers, as well as giving them more freedom, independence in their piano performing skills. My workshops are centered around difficult and challenging rhythmical patterns from different musical cultures and ensemble skills. If you are a teacher that wants to expand their piano teaching methods, this course also provides additional sessions with the content of the workshops we'll be teaching. And last but not least, guided tours, walking tours around the city of Vienna will be organized, and also musical sites such as the Vienna State Opera House, Mozart House, Haydn House, and Beethoven Museum. Stay tuned, as I'll be posting more videos of specific examples of my workshops and what I'm about to teach for the challenging rhythmical patterns and ensemble skills. The links for the course, its faculty, a detailed description, and the course creator is available in the description of this video. So, if you are a student that would like to discover different aspects of their musicality, this course is for you.